Hi all, let's start Maths, Grade 6, Chapter 10, The Other Side of Zero. Learning objectives. After this session, learners will be able to recall the concept of integers, perform arithmetic operations on integers. Integers. Recall that the very first numbers we learned about the study of mathematics were the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The number 0 has a very important history in India and now in the world. For example, around the world, we learn to write numbers in the Indian number system using the digits 0 to 9. We then learn about more numbers that exist between the numbers 0, 1, 2, 4, such that 1 by 2, 3 by 2 and 16 by 3. These are called fractions. Well, 0 is an additional number that we didn't know about earlier and it comes before 1 and is less than 1. Are there perhaps more numbers that comes before 0 and are less than 0? Yes, from this number line it exists. We are going to learn about this. Let's see Bela's building of fun. Children flock to Bela's ice cream factory to see and taste her tasty ice cream. To make it even more fun for them, Bela purchased a multi-storied building and filled it with more attractions. She named it Bela's Building of Fun. A lift is used to go up and down between the floors. It has two buttons, plus to go up and minus to go down. Can you spot the lift in this one here? This is this Bela's Building of Fun. Here is this lift. Lift button presses and numbers plus is written as is +3. Minus is written as is -4. Numbering the floors in the building of fun. Entry to the building of fun is at the ground floor. This is this welcome. Here is it. This is this ground floor. This is this entry. And this ground floor level is called as this welcome hall. Starting from the ground floor, you can reach to this food court. If you go here, this is food court. Then by pressing again +1, you can reach to this art center. And we can say that now food court is +1 and art center is +2. Starting from the ground floor, you must press -1 to reach to toy store. So this is toy store is -1. And if to go to the video games, we have to press -2. So this is video games. So a number with a plus sign in front of is called as a positive number. A number with a minus sign in front of a number is called as a negative number. Here, when we are calculating the target floor, the formula is starting floor plus movement is equals to target floor. Figure it out. You can start from 4 +2 and then press -3 in the lift. Where will you reach? Write an expression for this movement. Solution. Here, starting from floor +2 and then press -3 in the lift, we'll reach to toy store. Starting floor is +2 and this, then the movement is -3. So 2 plus of -3 is -1. So -1 is here toy store. Question number 2. Evaluate these expressions. You may think of them as a starting floor plus movement by referring to the building of fun. Solution. Here, this is a fun building. We know that starting floor plus movement is equal to target floor. So let us evaluate here. An expression for +1 +4 is +5 here. Already there is +1. Then we'll go to this +4. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So we'll go into this sports center. Next, we know the starting floor plus movement is equal to target floor. So an expression +4 +5. So already there is this the ice cream. Here you can make it up that this one is this 0 +1 +2 +3 +4 +5. So from +4 to +1 it will be sports center. Similarly, third one plus 4 to plus 3. So plus 4 to minus 3. So from plus 4, again we are coming from this minus 3 stores. That is 1, 2, 3. So that is food court. D, minus 1 to plus 2. So already they are in this tie store. Then again 2, we need to press it up plus 2. So that will become as food court. E, minus 1 to plus 1. So there is tie store. Again we are going to the plus ones up. So that will be welcome hall. F, 0 plus 2. So already the person is at the welcome center. If you want to go to this art center, then we have to press it as this plus 2. So upon pressing the plus 2, we will reach to the art center. Next, 0 minus 2. So already in the welcome hall, when we will go to the, we will press minus 2, we are going to the video game. So the value is here minus 2. Figure it out. Starting from different floors, find the moments required to reach floor minus 5. For example, if I start at floor plus 2, I must press minus 7 to reach floor minus 5. The expression is plus 2 and minus 7 is minus 1. Find more such starting positions and moments needed to reach floor minus 5 and write expressions. Solution. To reach floor minus 5 from different floors, we are using the formula starting floor plus movement is equals to target floor. Therefore, starting from plus 2, the movement of minus 7 gives us a target floor minus 5. So plus 2 and minus 5 is minus 7 is minus 5. Next, starting from 0, movement of minus 5 will reach to minus 5. 0 plus of minus 5 is minus 5. Starting from minus 3 and moving a minus 2, we are going to get it as minus 5. So minus 3 plus of minus 2 is minus 5. Combining button presses is also addition. Let us see here. Gurmeet was in the tie store and wanted to go down 2 floors. But by mistake, he pressed this plus button 2 times. He realized his mistake and quickly pressed minus button 3 times. How many floors below or above the tie store will be Gurmeet reach? Solution. Plus plus is plus 2 times. Minus minus 3 times is minus button 3 times. We can show the movement of this resulting by combining the button presses plus 2 and minus 3, that is minus 1. So now he'll be at this tie store. So Gurmeet will go in this 1 floor down. Figure it out. Evaluate this expression by thinking of them as a resulting movement of combining button presses. So plus 1, the plus 5, plus 4 and plus 1, plus 4 minus 3 minus 2, minus 1 plus 2 minus 3. Solution. Plus 1 and plus 4 is plus 5. Plus 4 and plus 1 is plus 5. Plus 4 and minus 3 is plus 1. Plus 1 and a minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 and plus 2 and minus 3. So here minus 1 and plus 2, if we level at first, this will be plus 1. Again plus 1 and minus 3 will be minus 2. Back to 0. On the ground floor, Basant is in a great hurry and mistake by presses plus 3. What can he do to cancel it and stay on the ground floor? He can cancel it by pressing minus 3. That is plus 3 and minus 3 is 0. Write the inverse of these numbers. Plus 4, minus 4, minus 3, 0, plus 2, minus 1. So inverse of plus 4 is minus 4. Inverse of minus 4 is plus 4. Inverse of minus 3 is plus 3. Inverse of 0 is 0. Inverse of plus 2 is minus 2. Inverse of minus 1 is plus 1. So the inverse of the above numbers are minus 4 plus 4 plus 3, 0, minus 2 plus 1. Should we write minus 3 is less than minus 4 or minus 4 is less than minus 3? Floor minus 4 is lower than the floor minus 3. So minus 4 is less than minus 3. So it is always correct to write. Also, if you want to express it up, minus 3 is greater than minus 4. Figure it out. Compare the following numbers using the building of fun and fill the boxes with the less or greater symbol. See here, minus 2 is less than plus 5. Next, minus 5 is less than plus 4. minus 5 is less than minus 3. Next, plus 6 is greater than minus 6. Next, 0 is greater than minus 4. Next, 0 is less than plus 4. Figure it out. Question number 2. Imagine the building of one with more floors. Compare the numbers and fill with the boxes with less than or greater than. Here this question I have given. A, B, C, D, E, F. Solution. Minus 10 greater than minus 12. Plus 17 is greater than minus 10. The C1 is 0 is greater than minus 20. D plus 9 is greater than minus 9. And minus 25 is less than minus 7. And plus 15 is greater than minus 17. Let us see question number 3. If a floor A is minus 12 and floor D is minus 1 and floor E is plus 1 in the building shown on the right as line, find the numbers of floors B, C, F, G and H. Solution. As floor B is 9 floors lower than the floor 0. This is floor 0. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the number of floor B is minus 9. As floor C is 6 floors lower than the floor 0. So the number of floor C is minus 6. As floor F is 2 floors higher than the floor 0. So the number of floor F is plus 2. As floor G is 6 floors higher than the floor 0. So the number of floor G is plus 6. As floor H is 11 floors higher than 0. So the number of floors of floor H is plus 11. Figure it out. Mark the following floors of the building as shown on the right. Minus 7, minus 4, plus 3 and minus 10. Solution. Here this is a floor. So minus 7. This is a minus 7 and minus 4. Here it is this minus 4. The plus 3 is on top of this 0. 1, 2, 3. This minus 10 is again down. So these are the floors noted here. Minus 7, minus 4, plus 3 and minus 10. Thank you.